Hello, friends. How are you doing today? I hope you had a great morning. As usual, I had awesome, fantastic morning with the yoga session with my friends online, and many of you can join. Basically, it's a free yoga session which I conduct. You can put chat comments if you would like to join that yoga session. I'm happy to practice along with you. So today I thought let's go outdoor. I'm sitting right there in my lakeside. I thought let's do a outdoor shoot, right? So it's beautiful out here, and a lot of positive energy. Sun is right in front of my eyes, so you might see that I'm closing my eyes a bit, right? Today I'm gonna talk to you, or maybe share my thought on one very important topic. Which uh, it's a humanity. The topic is not humanity, but the what I'm gonna talk to you is part of a humanity. It's called giving. Now you get more when you give more. How many of you heard that, right? And most successful people are giver. And do you know that the in around the world there are, in the entire world there are just around 2000 odd billionaires, 2000 odd billionaires in around the world, and 75% of the charity which is done in the world is done by those billionaires, only those 2000 odd billionaires. Out of 7.5 odd billion people in the world, there are only 2000 odd billionaires, and 75% of the charity in the world is done by only 2000 people of the world. And it's not that they are doing charity because they became billionaire, and they've been doing it the day they start making money, right? So I'm not just talking about charity, but basically the topic for today is, becoming a giver. Giving, keeping the other people interest ahead than you, is the key to happy life, key to success, key to success in the business, key to success, anywhere else. Because today everybody is so limited to their benefit, right? Which causes and which is in turn is not helping them as well. Which is, I don't know how many of you felt that, you've been doing so much of hard work, so much of hard work, and but still you're not there where you want to go. So that means something is wrong, right? So for the same topic, that this is the book which I came across. Amazing book, Go Giver. I must recommend reading this book, guys. I mean, this book is crazy, and I mean, the first page of this book says, most people just laugh when they hear that the secret of success is giving. Then again, most people are nowhere near as successful as they wish they were, right? And this book talks about, amazing five rules. It talks about, a story. It takes you through a story. Basically it looks like you are watching a kind of a movie, right? Let me read out few of the, things which other leaders who have read the book said. Deeply heartfelt and meditative, the Go Giver is filled with insights. More important, it accomplishes what few business books do. It remind us of our own core humanity. Let's say what the second one says. At the heart of the Go Giver is a philosophy, actually a way of being, that will dramatically increase your business, enrich your life, and make an extraordinary mark on the world around you. And these are the people who are most successful people in the world who have said after reading this book. Okay, let me just pick up one more. There are a lot of here. The greatest leader is a servant leader. The Go Giver tells a great story about how to serve your way to success. Right now, guys, I hope you're getting my point, and I want you to try this out. You know, becoming a giver. Let me take this the first page of the book and maybe read out something. I don't want to read out the complete, but you know, just for you to see what it says. See, giving, touching others' life, expanding the circle of our own concern to include others, being authentic, and being always open to receiving as well as giving. That's not just a child's fairy tale, it is a good description of many of the most amazing people I have encountered. This is what this author says. And while they may live and work in different countries and different fields, they all share the same core giving philosophy. The book captures the philosophy and shows that it is more than a fable, a parable, or a pipe dream. It is real, a path that people can follow in their daily lives. People want to live, people want to believe that this is the way the world can work, that living with a focus on others isn't just a nice goal, but that it can be a way of life. It can lead to a life that is full, rich, and fulfilling. Guys, this is something amazing. You know, I've been part of an organization, quite from quite many years now, and the fundamental principle of that organization is giving. And the fundamental principle success itself is giving, because you help others to help you to grow, right? If you have others to grow, you will automatically grow, right? And that's what I feel the organization is flourishing, because they are on the principle of giving. Now, I have founded a company where our fundamental core, our vision, our mission is derived on giving, right? Our success measure is not how much money we make. Our success measure is how much value we add to the people around us, how much value we are giving to others people, and more than how much we are getting, right? And that is how, in fact, I do yoga sessions every single day, free yoga sessions. Over the weekends I conduct free yoga sessions or health and wellness sessions for the community around the neighbors apartment around our house, which is absolutely free, because I believe in giving, and I know there is a bigger power who's watching, and who knows how to pay back, right? And so guys, I'll recommend reading this book. I recommend you going through this book. This is amazing. I can bet you, once you start reading the books, you can't stop until you finish. That amazing this book is, right? And it written there, one who gives thought, gives attention, gives care, gives focus, gives time and energy, gives value to others. Wow. So it's not just about giving something in terms of money or monetary. You can give attention. Give attention to your parents, give attention to your child, give attention to your wife or spouse, your husband, right? And give value to others. Keep other people's interests ahead than your interests, right? Imagine if everybody in the world is like that. The world is going to be a beautiful place to live in. You guys are awesome. This is the best time to live in this era, in this world, right? So let's all start thinking about others, and I'm sure you will get what you want to get it, right? So with that, I'll leave this thought here, that be a giver. You may be a go-getter, You must be a hard worker. But if you are looking for a success, if you are looking for something bigger in a life, along with being go-getter and hard worker, you need to become a go-giver. So with that thought, I leave it to you, and have a wonderful day ahead. Have Make someone smile today, make someone feel better, feel proud, or feel valued, no matter where the person is, no matter who the person is. And if you do that, you get more. Okay, so bye bye, take care. Hope you like the lighting on my face. It's natural lighting. Till yesterday it was the tube light, today is the sunlight, right? So I'm also enjoying it. So see you, talk to you tomorrow. Bye.